Hey guys, what's up? Over the years, we have seen several innovations with regard to the front cameras, including the pop-up modules and rotating modules. But so far, we have not seen any such implementation on foldable handsets. But now it seems Samsung is exploring the possibility of putting a rotating camera module on its foldable smartphone as well. According to a new patent filed to WIPO and spotted by MySmartPrice, Samsung is working on a foldable phone design that has a rotating camera setup. This would be a 180-degree rotating module so that the same set of cameras can be used as the front shooter as well as the rear shooter. As per the drawings, the foldable will comprise of two housings and the hinge structure, which is quite similar to the present-day Galaxy Fold models. But here comes the rotatable camera module, which will be attached to the first housing structure and will reside on one of the edges of the foldable. The patent suggests that the rotating camera module could reside either on the right side of the top edge or in the mid of the right edge. That being said, the picture reveals that the foldable will be equipped with a motion sensor module as well as an angle sensor, which will determine the posture of the device along with determining the folding angle of both the housing structures. This in turn would automatize the rotation by identifying the posture of the device as soon as the camera app is opened, as a result of which the rotating module will adjust its direction by itself. When the device is folded, the camera would point outwards, and when the device is unfolded, the camera will automatically swivel inwards to become selfie cameras. Samsung also demonstrates that the user has control over camera positioning through a software toggle, or you can call it a simple slider, ideally giving the users better control over camera module, which allows them to shoot images from different perspectives. That said, this design would surely allow foldable phone to shoot selfies and rearward shots with the same camera array. But before parting away, let me tell you that Samsung is no stranger to double-duty camera designs, as it recently patented a corkscrew camera system that pops out of a phone's body, and even the Galaxy A80 also packed a flip-up module that also doubled as a primary rear and selfie shooter, and benefits of such a design on a foldable is also apparent, as reducing the number of cameras with a rotating design could save costs as well as may also free up valuable space for a larger battery or other components. But on that note, I have one question. That is, do we really need more moving parts on a device that is already fragile? As this may introduce more potential failure points on devices that demand gentle handling. Although the durability of foldable phones has improved since the Galaxy Fold's debut, but it may still be a concern for potential buyers. However, I leave that conundrum open for debate in the comment section, so please don't forget to comment your views. However, considering the patent's publishing date, Samsung may be actively developing this design, though it is unclear if we'll ever see it debut on a future consumer-ready foldable, but we definitely shouldn't expect this feature on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, above all, if you like this video, then please share it with your friends, while also consider subscribing my channel if you like my content. Thanks for watching it, guys.